What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an interesting one. Today we got an informative one. There's a lot of people in the market for a Toyota Tacoma right now. Like, Toyota is selling these like hotcakes. These things are literally not even touching the dealership before they're already sold. So there's a lot of new buyers coming into the market. Me, on the other hand, I've had my experience with Tacomas, and something that a lot of people, I guess, get confused or don't understand too well is the back seat space on this Tacoma. I've been getting a lot of you asking me, hey Aang, how's the back seat room? I got two little ones, and I don't know if this truck would keep up with what I needed to do. Now, the front seats, they're awesome, they're amazing, and the more amazing they get, the more unamazing the back gets. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put the seats in different positions. I'm 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. All right, cool. So let's start off with the cold hard facts first. All right, let's just start off with reality. I'm going to sit behind the driver's seat with my driving position at 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. Okay, every inch counts. And then I'm going to put Sandy's seat a little bit further back just to see where we are. All right, so we got the seats in position. Let's go ahead and sit behind myself first, just to get a baseline, I guess you could say. All right, cool. So this is my point of view, and I have like quite a bit of leg room. Thankfully, these chairs aren't like plastic where if I need to push in a little bit, I can. Yeah, you don't feel it in the front. So if you dig your knees into it a little bit, then that's fine, I guess. But I have plenty of leg room here. Honestly, I could do this for a couple hours, no problemo at all. Now, cold hard facts, I just gotta be honest with you. If the person wears a size 9.5 to 10 in men, they cannot sit here. Okay, it's just, they cannot possibly sit here and be comfortable. I wear a 9.5, and I mean, I'm scraping this up pretty bad. So this is more of a punishment seat or a child seat. Now let's say there's a tall person sitting up front. So this is my point of view. I'm touching pretty bad. My feet are jammed up underneath here. You can't really move too much. If you don't like being in small spaces, this is not the move. You might want to, you know, like reach around and choke the person in front of you for being so dang tall. Let's talk about actual experience. So like I was saying, this is my fourth Tacoma. I've done quite a bit with it. I've done off-roading trips. I've done beach trips. I've driven from Texas to Virginia, Virginia to Texas. Just me and Sandy in the front, and then Sandy's family in the back. So first and foremost, if you're coming from a Corolla, there's gonna be a lot of back seat space. If you're coming from a Tundra, there's not a lot of back seat space. When I was a newbie, when I was coming to get my very first Tacoma, I was like, look, brother, hear me out. Putting one in the front, maybe one in the passenger, I'm carrying at least 8 people in the back. Now that was me just trying to be funny. Obviously I would not do that, don't do that, it's not safe. But that's how I felt, that's what my thoughts were, that I was gonna have so much space in the back seat. On the way home from my very first Tacoma purchase, Sandy hit me with, babe, I have just as much backseat space in the Corolla as the Tacoma. And unfortunately, it is. I don't know the exact measurements. I mean, you're not gonna be able to tell the difference. This one, obviously, I'm sure is a little bit bigger. I hope it's a mid-size. It's not gonna be a full-size truck. You're not gonna have all that seat space that you may think that you're gonna get. I'm gonna be honest with you guys because, well, I like to keep it frank. I like to keep it 100, as the children of this generation may say. I like to be real with you guys, and well, I've never had anyone complain. I hear a lot of people bring up long road trips. So from Virginia to Texas, it was around 16 hours. I drove that completely fine, and I had 3 passengers in the back. We did have to stop to sleep, obviously, so we stopped. We all slept in the truck, and we were perfectly fine. All about my height, so we had 3 people across, my height, my build, and we were absolutely fine. I have 3 little sisters. I take them on road trips every now and then, and I mean, they love it. So if you have 3 little ones, you're gonna be absolutely fine. You're gonna be chilling, perfect. No one's even gonna tell. They're gonna be like, Dad, Mom, this truck is amazing, I love it, blah, 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 blah. But if you have 3 grown adults and you're around 6 foot tall, that's where my opinions come in. Now, if you're 6 foot tall, you own a Tacoma, I need you down below in the comment section, please. If you're 6 foot tall and you have a person sitting right behind you in the driver position, they're not gonna be the most comfortable. That's just my opinion. Sitting in this truck at 5'9", 5'10", I think that's comfortable for a normal person, I guess you could say. But again, I'm not 6 foot tall. I don't really know. Let me know if you're 6 foot tall and you've had experience with this truck. Do you have any issues? Let me know. But with that being said, 4 Tacomas in, I love the back seat. I think it's perfect for what I need it for. Me and Sandy, I'm thinking about getting a dog. Usually Sandy's here to tell me no. I went to a Tacoma meet. A dude had like 2 or 3 dogs back here. No problemo at all. I think it's perfect. I think it's more of a 4 adult and 1 child, or 4 large adults, 1 smaller adult, if that makes any sense. It's definitely not a 5 adult passenger vehicle. It's just not. People's knees are gonna be touching. Knees are gonna be going crooked. It's just not gonna be the most comfortable ride. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think. Am I wrong? Am I crazy? I'll take that as a yes. Let me know what you guys think. How are you enjoying your backseat space? Do you use it at all? It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.